This video demonstrates how to back up a database by using database backup. Perform the following 2 steps to back up a database. Step 1. Purchase a backup schedule. Log on to the DBS console. In the left side navigation pane, click Backup Schedules. On the Backup Schedules page, select a region in the upper left corner, and then click Create Schedule in the upper right corner. In this example, an ApsaraDB RDS for MySQL database is backed up by using logical backup. On the page that appears, configure the parameters such as data source type specification and backup method based on your business requirements. And click Buy Now in the lower right corner. For more information about the parameters, free quota, and billing methods, see DBS documentation. On the Confirm Order page, confirm your order information, read and select the checkbox to agree to terms of service, and then click Pay. On the Purchase page, click Subscribe in the lower right corner. On the page that appears after you complete the payment, click the button to go to the DBS console. You are navigated to the Backup Schedules page, on which you can view the backup schedule that you purchased. Step 2. Configure the backup schedule. Click the ID of the backup schedule that you purchased to go to the Configure Backup Schedule page. In the Configure Backup Source and Destination step, configure the backup source and destination. And click Next in the lower right corner. If you want to back up a self-managed database and it has network security settings, such as firewall settings, click Set Whitelist next to the address parameter to obtain the CIDR blocks of DBS servers, and then add the CIDR blocks to the whitelist of the database server. This allows DBS to access the database. In the Edit Backup Objects step, find the database or table that you want to back up, and add it to the selected section. Then, click Next. In the Configure Backup Time step, configure the parameters such as full-scale backup frequency and full data backup recurrence. Then, click Next in the lower right corner. In the Edit Lifecycle step, specify the parameters in the Configure Full Data Backup Lifecycle and Configure Transaction Log Backup Lifecycle sections. Then, click Pre-check. If the pre-check passed message appears, click Start Task. On the Backup Schedules page, click Refresh in the upper right corner. If the state of the backup schedule changes to running, the backup schedule is configured. DBS backs up the selected database based on the time and life cycle that you have configured. Now you have learned how to back up a database by using DBS.